Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bicky here, and today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make big $2,000 commission using this system that's called Profit Passport. So, guys, as you can see here, this person Lisa, she posted in the group that it was during our Bible study, and this sale came up. So, guys, she got a $2,000 sale as you can see here, and if you scroll down, she got another $2,000 sale. And guys, if you scroll down here, this person Ashley, she has posted in the group as well that she made $2,000 in just 24 hours. So she made her very first $2,000 within 24 hours. Okay. And if you keep scrolling, this person Garrett, he made $4,000. So as you can see here, and this person here carries, he made $4,580, and he made $25,000 his very first month. Okay. And if I keep scrolling, if I show you, this person, he made $2,000 as well. And if I keep scrolling, you can see that this person Sam, he made $129,000 in just 6 months. Okay, guys. And as you can see here, he also got $2,000 payment. Okay. So if I keep scrolling, you will see all this person, as you can see here, $3,000 in 3 hours. Okay. And $10,000 in 3 days. So guys, if I keep scrolling here, all these people are getting this $2,000 commission. Okay. So as you can see, this person Patrick, he got $2,000 commission as well. So if I show myself, I made $10,000 in 1 week. So I had posted in the group as well, and I had got a $2,000 sale in the morning. So I had posted in the group as well, and in total I had made about over $100,000. As you can see here, $119,000 from this system. So guys, this program, it's called Profit Passport. Okay, so what you will do is, you will simply click the link below this video. Okay, so as you can see, there is another person Bambi. So as you can see here, you have received $2,000 payment. So she also got $2,000 payment. So guys, when you will click the link below this video, you're going to land first on this page. Okay, so what you're gonna do is simply click on yes I do. Do you want to make 2,000 commission? Yes I do. Okay, once you will click this link, enter your email here and click here to continue. Once you will do that, you will land on this page. Okay, this is the webinar page. Okay, so you're gonna simply scroll down. Okay, and then you're gonna click on get on the webinar. Once you will click on get on the webinar, you will be able to get on the actual webinar. Okay, and you will watch the short webinar that this program offers. Okay, once you have watched the webinar, what you're gonna do is, you will see something like this. Okay, the webinar is over, and then at the bottom you will click the button. Okay, once the webinar is over, you will click on this page. Okay, here you're gonna keep it I am a new member. Okay, and then you're gonna enter your first name, last name, email, and you're gonna click on create my account here. Once you have done that, guys, then you will land on the actual back office. Okay, so this is the back office of this program, and as you can see here, there are four income streams, right? Income stream 1, 2, okay, 3 and 4. So these are the four income streams, okay, inside the system. So the first step that you need to do here is click on this activate my system here, the income stream number 1. This is the income stream that people are making this big $2,000 commission. Okay, so they are making this $2,000 commission from this income stream here. Okay, the income stream number 1. So what you're gonna do is simply click on this button which is says activate the system. Once you will click here, you will land on this program. Okay, so go ahead, create account on this system. Once you are on the dashboard, guys, simply go ahead and copy your username. Okay, this is the username. Okay, after the cell 1, so copy your username. Okay, once you have done that, go back to your Profit Passport back office, enter your username here, then click save and update. Okay, So now your income stream 1 is ready to go. But here is the thing, okay, what you're gonna do is you will go to the income stream number 1, okay, and then you will click on my packages, okay, and you will see multiple packages. This one is $30, then the $120, then Vertex package is 275, okay, then 550, then Vertex Pro and Vertex Live. So guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna upgrade your account to Vertex Live, which is $2,000 and 500. This is how you will be able to make this 2000 commission, okay. Like I am making this 2000 commission, and if I scroll down, this person Michael, he also made the 2000 commission. And this is Bambi, so she also made this big $2000 commission, okay. And if we scroll down, this person Kyle, he made $10,000, right. And if I keep scrolling, you can see that this person Lorna, she made $2000 big commission as well. As you can see, another morning she made $2000 commission as well. So guys, if you want to make this big $2000 commission, then you have to upgrade your account on the Vertex Live, okay, Vertex Live package. And once you have upgraded that, then you simply gonna copy your username, okay, from here, and then paste the username here and click on save and update. This is how you will be able to make big $2000 commission on the income stream number 1. Now then scroll down, go to the income stream number 2, click on activate my system and activate your income stream number 2. Then go to income stream number 3 and income stream number 4. Once you have upgraded all these income streams, then what you're going to do is you will see this option which says your affiliate link. So what you're going to do is, guys, click on here, okay, you will copy your affiliate link, and then what you're going to do is you will scroll down at the bottom, okay, and this is the income stream number 4, right. So you will click here, okay, you will land on this page, okay, and then here you can see basic 170 to 190 clicks, okay, then bronze 340 to 380 clicks. You will click here order now, okay. Once you will click order now, you will buy these clicks, okay, and you will paste your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link here, okay. So you don't have to promote each income stream separately, okay. You just have to copy this affiliate link, and with just one single affiliate link you will be able to promote the 4 income streams, okay. So you're gonna copy this affiliate link, okay, and you're gonna buy 100 and 190 clicks, okay. So you will buy this 190 clicks, and then what will happen is these are the real people, okay. So these real people will go to your affiliate link, okay. They will go to your affiliate link, okay. They will watch the webinar, okay. They will sign up on the system, they will upgrade to $2000, and that's how you will make $2000 sale as well. So guys, if you want to make this big 2000 commission, okay, if you want to make these multiple commission like all these people are making, like this person here, Jena, she made $8000, okay. So if you want to make this big commission, what I would say you is simply go ahead, click the link below this video, watch the webinar, create your account, and then upgrade the system, upgrade the income stream number 1 at the 2K level, okay, and buy the clicks, and then you will be able to make this big commission as well, okay. And the cool thing here is, guys, join the community, okay. So they have Facebook group as well, and you can join their Facebook group as well. So if you want to make this big commission, okay, like me and like all these people, okay, or if you want to make big 6-figure like here, simply go ahead, click the link below, create your account and upgrade your system to the $2000 level. Go ahead, see you inside.